Qual 61.
We have 2 thumbs up. That means drivers, hands off your controllers in 3, 2, 1, go!
Let's get ready to rumble. Kilts, launches, lands, clears the gate. Moving with characteristic efficiency. Trailblazers, their partners, picking up artifacts. Haven't gotten off a shot yet. They will soon. They are loaded, ready to go. On the meanwhile, for the Red Alliance, Iron Nest, the low-slung robot, kind of stuck in place there on Spike 2. When they come in, they move, they shoot, they score once, twice, 3 times. Very nice. I've been told that thrice is an Anglicism I should eschew. Here we go. We're getting into where the humans make a difference.
3, 2, 1.
As does strategy, does design, does planning, does executing to a game plan, does having a robot built solidly like Kilts have. They're scooping up artifacts. They just lost a couple though on the ground, but they shoot 2, 3, landed. From afar, that was a beautiful arcing shot from Trailblazers. They had landed 3, they then missed 1, they're allowed to. U-Force, shooting from their launch zone. Very nice, they landed 3. U-Force, picking up the pace of scoring. Iron Nest, on the other hand, shooting from closer, trying to find their groove. And as they come in and they clear the red artifact gate, they then move back to get loaded up again. They are loading from the ground. 1 artifact, 2 artifacts, 3 artifacts. Get spun up, they shoot, and they've got to clear the gate. Teams keeping in constant contact about how each robot can help. Kilts cheering squad going wild in the audience as the Kilts maintain a steady focus on scoring. Let's go back and look at the scoreboard. Blue Alliance with the Kilts and Trailblazers ahead by about 40-50 points. Keeping up that pace. Artifact count at about 50 for blue compared to about 35 for red. 23-23, Iron Nest, landing, couple. But blue's pace, I will say, has definitely been the more aggressive. U-Force doing their best to compensate. Whoops, that one was directly on the game announcer. I'm definitely being ranged and volleyed, if you know those terms. And I'm not helping any artifacts go in. But the goal is providing some shelter. Blue ahead by 30 as we enter endgame. 15 seconds to go. Parking strategies will determine. Not being much contact, but I see Tim, the referee, pointing on some of these robots. 2 seconds, 1 second.
61 is in the books, and it belongs to the Blue Alliance. With a score of 245 to 171, only 3 ranking points earned in that match. It will mean downward motion for a 16-244 from 10 down to 11.